As Texas continues coronavirus vaccinations for frontline healthcare workers and those most at risk, many still waiting to get their first doses. Fox 14's Kaylee Green reports the Hereford Regional Medical Center now has a wait list.
Duff Smith County Hospital District CEO Jeff Barnhart says COVID cases are trending downward, and that's just one reason to have hope.
And I'm seeing more and more people where I'm hearing that, initially they weren't going to take this vaccine, but they're changing their mind and going ahead and doing that. And that's very encouraging.
The Hereford Regional Medical Center has vaccinated nearly 500 people in Texas's first tier with Moderna's vaccine. Now they're scheduling those next in line. Barnhart says they're on page 6 of a 10-page wait list.
We've got to do 10 of these at a time. That's how much comes in each vial. So we're trying to get 10 at a time done. And what we're doing is we're working off of that list. If we have 7 of those on that first tier and we need 3 more, we've got a list developed and we're calling people in, at the very last minute and able to get that 10 done. So it's working well.
Barnhart says he expects to get the second doses for healthcare workers January 21st.
The issue now is we've got 10 million Texans in that 1A and 1B population. How do we get more doses every week into arms so that we can start fighting back against this virus?
John Henderson, the CEO and president of Torch, the Texas Organization of Rural and Community Hospitals, says with more vaccine becoming available, the process should speed up. But hospitals are still full and overwhelmed.
The other pressing issue this week is we still count 25 rural Texas hospitals that haven't received a single dose.
Henderson says most have been able to share doses, but they need more.
We like to say that every Texan matters, so we want to get that allocation to every single rural hospital in the state.
Henderson says every day the coronavirus situation is improving here in Texas as we get more Moderna shipments to our rural areas, which can be stored in regular freezers. He tells me today he's also hopeful for other vaccines in development. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, Fox 14 News. Andy.
Kaylee, thank you. Henderson also says Texas should be allotting more vaccine to nursing home residents next week.